Hi guys, it's me, Ray from raytalks.co.uk, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make my very own DIY hair oil mix. I'm going to try and act natural because my sisters say I act fake online or you don't get to see the real me. Remember this clip from another video? You can see my edges are damaged, and this is part of the reason as to why I have decided to make this mix. You will need some carrier oils. I'm using castor oil and almond oil. I will list the benefits of all the oils in the description bar. Some essential oils, tea tree and lavender is what I've decided to use because they are great, and a applicator bottle. So first off, get a carrier oil. So I'm starting off with my almond oil first, and I just pour it into the bottle. I think I pour it about halfway. Yeah. What are some of your favorite carrier oils? Please list them below. Do you have any breakage you're trying to solve? Let me know. So I've gone off camera, I've applied the almond oil into the bottle like so. I close it up, and then I get my other carrier oil, which is castor oil. This oil is absolutely amazing if you have hair that is prone to dryness because it seals in any moisture you put in it. It's extremely thick. So I'm just squeezing the castor oil in there, and to be honest, this is what is actually going to help my edges, the castor oil, especially with with the essential oils. So I've got almond oil in here and castor oil. I eyeballed it, so I'm not too sure what the measurements are, but yeah. Then I seal it up and I shake it like this. This is such a bad Caribbean accent. Shake it. Then I open the bottle up again, and this time I reach for my essential oils, tea tree and lavender. All the products will be listed below as well as the benefits. So I opt to take my lavender oil first. I love this smell. I put about 20 drops in here. Lavender is also great for those of you who may have difficulty sleeping. And then I take tea tree oil. Tea tree is a natural antiseptic as well as peppermint, and it stimulates blood flow to the scalp, and lavender does as well. I don't know how many drops I put in here. I think I put about 20 plus. Laugh out loud. And then I began to shake the bottle like you can see here, because it wasn't coming out and my battery is about to die. But it's not going to die right now because I need to record this video. Then I seal it up like so. And what do I do next? Shake it quite vigorously, and the reason why I do so is so that all the oils are well combined, and I then apply it to my edges. I use this as a sealant as well as a hot oil treatment. So let me know if you try this out. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my blog for more information. Bye.